3 phones were made for the Elvish kings, 7 for the Dwarven lords, and 9 for that Irish Catholic family down the street. But in secret, another phone was made. A phone that was bad.
Oh, Uncle Dorito.
It's Dorito.
Oh, sorry.
I'm going away for the weekend.
Oh, where are you going?
Cuba. Take this phone if you need to call me.
Okay, thanks. Why Cuba?
The doctor's orders.
Oh.
Who's that?
Oh, that's Randolph. He's narcoleptic. And a wizard.
And drunk.
No, he's not. But you'd think that, wouldn't you?
Yeah, I would. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
$34.95!
Hey, Randolph.
How long have I been asleep?
About a couple hours now.
Did I miss Jeopardy?
Strange. It's only got this one ringtone.
I don't care. I've heard that ringtone before. Where did your uncle say he got that phone?
I don't know. He just gave it to me and went for Cuba. Why? What's wrong?
We must hurry. Oh, only flame can tell.
Okay.
No, not that flame. This is not good. There was an evil phone made long ago, used by the likes of Hitler and other bad people.
Like who?
Like that guy who tried to kill the Smurfs. Ugh.
You can't be serious.
Oh, I am.
Oh God.
Very serious.
I can't believe my uncle would do this to me.
He didn't know. He didn't know, son. I'm hungry. Oh, stay focused, stay focused. I think it's time.
Okay.
It is as I feared.
No.
This is one phone.
It can't be.
Oh. Only one thing we must do. We will need a fellowship.
A fellowship?
Yes.
What's that?
It's this thing that people do when they need to do important things.
Oh, like a group?
Yes, but without yes.
I see.
And together we shall destroy it once and for all. In a recycling bin, so we don't hurt the environment.
Good thinking.
Yes.
So who's going to be in this fellowship? I think I've got some friends who could help us out with a cause like this.
I've got a friend who does kids' parties.
Good enough.
We need to put out flyers.
Okay, we'll make flyers.
Here, make some yourself.
Okay. Is that the last poster?
Yes, it is.
Do you think anyone will actually show up to this?
How can't they? We're offering Lambas bread.
I don't think we have Lambas bread.
Crap.
Name, please?
Snappy Bainley.
It's a rather strange name, don't you think?
Oh, it's a family name. It was passed down from my father's father, his father before that. And I think he had a father.
Interesting.
It says here you're an elf. Where are your ears? Why are they not pointy?
Well, it's a recessive trait.
Um,
Kind of embarrassed about that.
I'm sorry, didn't mean to. You know.
Yeah.
Anyhow, show us your skills with that bow.
Alright.
Well, you almost killed me.
Name?
Jeff. Jeff the Wizard.
Oh, you're a wizard.
I can whiz.
Yes,
Yeah,
we
I-
have a wizard. You see, I'm a wizard, so.
Yeah, we really only need one wizard. I'm sorry, I don't think we'll be able to use you for this fellowship.
I need this job. I need this job. I don't understand what it's like. You don't know what it's like.
I think you need breath mints.
I'm a wizard.
Sorry, but I just don't think
I-
you have the skills needed.
What skills needed? You're not even taking notes. Look at this. They're just drawings of hearts and pretty pictures and ponies. You're not. I doubt your wizardliness, sir. You know what? I don't need this. I don't need any of you. In fact, you should want me desperately.
Name, please.
The dwarf beard, the dwarf.
And what talents do you think you could bring to this fellowship?
I have this axe.
Ooh, that's good.
Intriguing.
Yes.
Randolph, give him the inkblot test.
Oh, I like this one.
Best test
Thank
results
you.
we've seen all day.
Thank you. You may leave.
Fine.
We'll get back to you.
Okay.
I think those were some pretty good auditions.
Yes, well, we're going to need more.
Yes, we're definitely going to need a lot more talent if we hope for this to be a successful fellowship.
But where will we find them?
I think I can help.
Oh my god.
Only flame can tell.
Okay, we'll try this.
No, no. Not that flame. You actually started microwaving your phone?
Okay!
That could have ruined it in like 3 seconds!
Oh my god, I actually started by...
I was like, oh.
Wow.
I actually just started it again. Okay.
Wow, I'm a dumbass. I just did that without thinking.
I was like, stop!
Okay, redo that. Okay.
Last poster?
Yes, I believe so. Ha.
Is that the last poster?
Yes, it is. We should get to our answers within the next day.
If we get some good people.
Yes, we will need them for this. Where's the phone? Okay, good. Put it back.